cut it out without any seam allowance. Excuse me ตัวนี้ขอได้ไหม Pretty good. So we're just gonna sew the seams down using this as a guide. So bump your sewing feet to this seam line and sew down. So you get 2 slots and we can put in 2 pieces of boning. I kind of finger press them open. So I'm gonna sew on this side, finger press them open and kind of pin it down. Otherwise, it will shift and you end up sewing this part going over this way too much. So now we're gonna join this and also sew the slot for the boning. Okay. So we're gonna sew from here next to the first seam, the back seam. And we're gonna go around over until we get to the other side right before this one. Here it's all sewn together. So again, you're gonna measure about half a centimeter away. About half a centimeter. So I'm just going to clean up all the corners and snip all the curves. I snipped everything so that it could flip out nicely. So I don't want the lining to show. I'm gonna do half of this version and then the other half. So I'm gonna hand stitch this part, so which I folded over, and then after that I'm gonna turn it backwards and I'm gonna fold this inside and hand stitch it, and that should do the job. Let me turn it with my feet. So this is what it looks like. So I'm trying to get an even number of grommets, because you know there'll be X, so that there'll be an even number of X on my vest. So this kind of fit. I'm gonna install this one here. You put your eyelet into this setter. You turn your project with the right side facing, because you want this to be the nice side on the top. Then you take the washer, and you flip it to the kind of the rounded side. You put it on top. Okay. Then there'll be the setter, which looks like this. Just put it inside the hole. Go crazy. And this is my grommet. Okay. I'm gonna do the other holes. So this part here has 6 pieces of fabric, so it should be sturdy enough and it won't like rip. So maybe I will sew another line here just to give it more strength, maybe. Okay, I'll continue on. Okay. So after I did this row, I just copy the holes so that it will be around the same distance from here. You see, you can easily if you don't concentrate, you can easily set the grommet upside down, like this one. So concentrate. It's okay. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna find a string. Let's see what it looks like.ขอบคุณมากครับ